Alright, we're out here, we got Kyler.
Ready?
Yeah, see. We got Kyler getting ready for youth season this Saturday for turkey hunting. Got his 410 set up out here. And he's upset about it, but I'm making him practice like it's the real thing with face mask, turkey chair, sticks and everything. But we got two targets out there at 30 yards, and I'm gonna tell him to shoot the left one or the right one and see how he does. That way he's got to aim it himself. He's got to do everything himself to pull the trigger and kill the turkey. And let's see how he does. Shoot one on the right.
Huh?
Shoot one on the right. So that's something I like to do, especially with kids, is the first time not put a bullet in there. So they're expecting it to shoot, and when they pull the trigger, you can see if they're jerking off the target or if they're actually squeezing the trigger like they're supposed to. All right, don't cock it till I tell you to.
Okay.
Kyler's shooting a Federal TSS number 9. All right. Shoot the one on the left.
Okay.
Left. How you think you did?
Good.
All right, first of all, you gotta be careful because you put your barrel in the dirt whenever it kicks. So we'll have to check that before you shoot, but let's go see your target, okay?
Can I take this off now?
No, you're gonna shoot again.
Oh,
Come on, you gotta look like a turkey hunter.
why don't you?
Plus, you gotta practice having the aim looking with your red dot. And that, sir, is a dead turkey.
The only thing different is it's moving.
It might be moving. Hopefully he'll be strutting and be standing still, not moving too much. So that's the Federal TSS number 9. And you can see pattern pretty good. I like to put it on these big whiteboards so you got more space to be able to see where your pattern is. I'd say it looks pretty good. What do you think, G?
Looks pretty good to me. That's a dead turkey right there, Kyler. Look at all them pellets in his head.
All right, carry that one back with you, Kai. All right, let's get ready. We're going to shoot an Apex ammunition.
What's that?
9.5 on the next shot.
What's that?
That's another kind of bullet.
Oh.
Another kind of shotgun shell. Not a bullet. Bullets goes in pistols and rifles. Shells go in shotguns. All right, for practice shot number 2, Kyler already knows what target he's going to shoot because there's only one left. This is an Apex ammunition 9.5. Go ahead, Kai. Let it rip.
Oh.
I believe that's a dead turkey, buddy. Let's go see. Go ahead and carry your shotgun with you.
Okay. Hey,
What?
you can stop now.
Come on, let's go see if you killed him. Put it over your shoulder
Why?
so you can carry it easier. Come on, son.
Can I take this off now?
All right, that's another dead turkey. But you shot a little bit to the left on that one, I think.
Can I take this?
Yeah, you can take it off.
Are we done shooting?
Yep.
But why only 2?
Yeah, see right there? You see a lot of your bullets are over there. You shot a little bit to the left on that one. Okay?
Is that all we're gonna shoot?
Do you see right there? It's a dead turkey, but you shot a little bit to the left.
This
But that's
all we're gonna
just
shoot.
wait, son.
Okay.
That's part of what we were practicing, was sighting and holding a red dot on him. And that's a dead turkey, but you shot a little bit to the left. So listen, you gotta make sure that you keep that red dot right on the turkey. All right. So this is the Apex ammunition 9.5. He shot a little bit to the left of this target, but still it's a dead turkey. Got several pellets in the spinal column and the skull there. But what do you think, Kyle? Are you ready for Saturday?
Yes.
Shooting his 410. I believe he's going to shoot the Apex ammunition 9.5s. There's just more BBs in there, so that if he does get the pattern off just a little bit like he did on this one, it's still going to be a dead turkey. But I think he's ready for Saturday, youth season here in Florida. What do you think, buddy?
Yes.
Ready to knock one down? All right, let's do it. So here's the two patterns side by side. This is the TSS number 9s, and this is the Apex ammunition 9.5.
Why is your shotgun out here?
You can see there's just more pellets in this Apex ammunition. And so that's what Kyler's going to be shooting come Saturday morning. TSS, Apex, number 9, 9.5. Either way, dead turkey at 30 yards with a 410 shotgun, and Kyler's ready for youth season. So my dad G got him a new scope on his turkey gun, and we're going to try to sight it in. And a couple little things I like to do when I'm sighting in a new scope on a shotgun is, one, get a big target, draw a dot on it. But two, I like to get some regular old bird shot, because I don't know about G's shoulder, but I know my shoulder don't like shooting turkey loads any more than I have to. So we're going to get up close to the target, we're going to shoot some bird shot, get the scope dialed in, and then we'll back up and shoot some turkey shells. So we're up here close, probably 10 yards. Going to see where this scope is sighted in and make some adjustments, then we'll back up and try it some more. G's staying safe. He ain't gonna get shot today, but hopefully he is gonna be ready to shoot a turkey.
Look a smidgen low.
Smidgen low, but I don't know that I'd adjust that very much for this kind of distance. Maybe dial it up just a little bit.
I think that maybe we need to back the scope up, because that's like, to get a clear circle, I don't got it tight against the morning. Maybe I ain't getting it right. Ready?
Yep. You didn't ask me that the first time.
I know that. Testing you.
You about scared the snot out of me the first time.
I think I'll pull that in a little bit.
It's still a little bit low. That wadding, I think, is the hole in the top. So that pattern's just a little bit low on both shots. So we'll dial it up just a little bit, and then we'll check it at a further distance. So G has backed up to 20 yards, shooting a 3.5 inch Longbeard XR number 6. Gonna see just how this turkey gun is patterning. Last year he killed him a turkey, and I believe he had a modified choke in the gun. He's got him a nice True Lock turkey choke now, so it'll pattern a little better. And let's see if we got the scope dialed in. We may need to adjust it a few clicks too, but let's see how he's shooting at 20 yards. Wait for me. Ready when you are.
All right. Oh, Lord, have mercy.
What was that? What'd you say?
I said, Lord, have mercy.
Hey,
I believe that'll be all right.
Michael and I have learned that 20 gauges kick a whole lot worse than the 12 gauge.
Ain't no way a 20 gauge kicks worse than that.
I mean, kicks a whole lot less than a 20 gauge.
Oh, okay.
So, first of all, that's a very dead turkey. Second of all, where were you aiming at?
That's a good question, probably. It probably was, I think it's a little bit low.
All right, we'll just adjust it a couple of clicks and call it good. What do you say?
Sounds good to me.
You mean you don't want to turn a few more loose?
We can turn one more loose. I mean, it is what it is. It ain't
That's
gonna...
up to you. But I mean, that's a dead turkey. I would say at 20 yards, you're patterning exceptionally well.
A lot better than that modified was, ain't it?
A lot better than what?
That modified one
Yeah,
that we had last
that modified you turkey hunted with last year was not nearly as good as.
They don't think the pattern was quite as good.
This is how a turkey's load is supposed to pattern.
I'm a little bit better there.
G-Day got all set up over there in his chair, ready to shoot his turkey gun.
What
Only-
do now, Kyler?
Only he's missing something.
I'm missing something.
You gotta have this if you want to shoot, G.
What am I gonna do, Kyler?
You got a shell in it already?
No, I got to pump it.
But you got one already
I got
ready?
one in it. I just got to pump it.
All right, hold on. I gotta put my earplugs in.
Me too.
Well, get over. Put your fingers in your ears or something, buddy.
Okay.
All right. This is a Mossberg 835 12 gauge 3.5 inch, number 6 Longbeard XR. Ready when you are, G. We went just a couple clicks too many on the height.
Did we?
Yep, but that's all right. We'll just split it in half.
We'll be good.
Yeah, I think we went just a couple clicks too many on the height.
Yep, looks like it, don't it?
That's all right. We'll dial it down just a few.
Dad, I'm touching something.
Hold on, son. That's still an exceptionally tight pattern.
Yeah, it is.
And actually, we may not should have adjusted it at all,
Probably should have just left it like it was, but
because whenever you look up there towards the light, all that pattern's a little high. So
yeah.
we'll dial it back down a few clicks and you'll be good to go. Still a dead turkey though.
Yep.
So, all right. Ready for opening day? Well,
Ready to roll.
As soon as we dial it down a few more clicks. You want to shoot that 3.5 about 4 more times?
That'd be good. We got to put a turkey at the end of it.
It's almost dark and we're losing light. But Kyler put in, he wants to try my 20 gauge. So we've got some Longbeard XR 3 inch in the 20 gauge. He's going to try the over under and see how he likes it. Safety forward. Keep your finger off the trigger. Settle on the bead.
And then I'll shoot.
And then when you're ready, pull the trigger. Did that kick you?
Mm-hmm.
You all right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go see how you did.
Also hurt my finger.
It hurt your finger? That's got a little more kick than your 410. And you shot a little high because you ain't used to shooting that bead.
Where?
Yep.
I don't know where it is.
Well, you either shot high or you shot low because
Where?
there's not a single bead in the target anywhere. So
I want to shoot again.
I think you need to stick with your Hawk Red Dot on your 410.
Can I do it again? Pretty, please.
It didn't kick you too hard? You didn't put a single pellet on the target, dude. You're not used to shooting a bead.
No, I mean my 410.
Oh, no, let's wait and shoot it at a turkey on Saturday.
Pretty, please.
No, you already practiced that with it.
Why
You're a
though?
stone cold killer with your 410. 20 gauge bead, not so much. We got to practice that a little bit. But hey, it was your first time. But that's not what you're hunting with this weekend. 410 it is. Deal?
Daddy,
Deal.
Daddy, can I go turkey hunting with my bow?
Well, you could, but I think your odds would be a little higher with your 410. Deal?
Okay.
Deal. Let's go kill one.
Only if you want to shoot a single bullet.
I don't know what you're talking about, boy. Kyler didn't do so hot with the 20 gauge just because he ain't used to shooting a bead, but I still wanted to see how that gun was patterning with those long beard XR number 6s at 30 yards. So I fired one off, and I'd say it's doing pretty good. That's with a True Lock choke, 30 yards, long beard XR number 6, 3-inch, out of a 20 gauge over under, and that's a dead turkey.
Living the backwoods life.